Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm on here now because I want to show you another parcel, and I'm waving my camera around here again as usual. Love the stamps. Oh, do I like the stamps? Do you like the stamps? Where does this one come from? Victoria. It's got lots of stamps on there. Let's see. Melinda in Victoria sent me this. I'm going to collect up all these stamps of these things. I've got all my envelopes there, and I'm going to go and get all my stamps on. You can use your stamps in your journals and that. I've got lots of different bits and pieces I've collected up over the time, so I can use them. This is from Melinda, and she has sent me a card. 5 years challenge. This is nice. Nice card. Thank you. And in here, oh, Alex and Melinda, space, Melinda, feel free to pass along any fabric, not your style. I very much enjoy your YouTube channel. I'm not a big commenter, but always watch. I hope you can use my fabric. I printed these using a jelly print and acrylic paints. Please don't wash them, as the paint won't wash out. Okay, I won't do that. Thank you so much, Melinda. That's very nice of you to do that. That is really nice. Ooh. I can't put that back in there. I'm too busy looking over here. Oh wow, my goodness me. Oh, this is cool. I've got a fair bit too. Look at this. She sent me lots of this. Oh, look at that. And you print it on the fabric. Brilliant idea. I mean, I know everybody, like, people do it. It's just, it looks good. Looks really good. I really like that. Thank you. That's a really nice one. Love the colour. And that, look at that. That's really nice. Thank you. And there's one with spots. Oh, wow. This is cool. I mean, I can use this. I can use this in my journal. Definitely. I definitely can. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, no, now I want to do this too. Oh, dear. So many things. So many different things you can do. Look at that. Thank you so much, Melinda. That is so kind of you. She's used must be a pillowcase or a piece of sheet, because here it is folded over, but that's okay. That is really cool. That'll make a nice pocket. Look at this. I can cut that along there, and I'll have two pockets. One pocket and another pocket. Look at that. Thank you. I've got another pocket there. Thank you very much. That's cool. Oh dear, like this too. Wow, I wonder what you did that with. Look at these little... Oh dear, that's nice. Oh, thank you so much. Looks like flowers, doesn't it? Isn't that neat? Oh, there's so many... Wow, there's so many different things you can... I don't know what I'm doing, trying to find the top, but I don't know if there really is. Different things you can make and do with the craft work, isn't there? There's so much lovely stuff that you can come up with. Oh, wow, this is a really good idea. This is a very good idea. Thank you so much, Melinda. I really appreciate that, Ellen. That's very kind of you to make me these, and they're so pretty too. I'm going to have a pocket. Like I said, I'm going to cut down there. Cut it in half, and I can use that as a pocket in this way. Look. Look at that. And there's another one. Yeah. Well, see, they're not going to be washed because they're going into a journal and they're not going to be washed. I do love the way that worked out. Isn't that good? I do like them all. I really do. They are all amazing, and they have really lots of ideas in them, and a full page, even a cover for a book out of that would be just absolutely awesome. I think I've seen your channel on there. I don't know if I've subscribed or not. I can't say, to be honest with you. So I need to go and have a look and see if you've done any of this on a tutorial or anything. Thank you very much, Melinda. I really appreciate that, Don. And thank you. And I'll just have a look and see what your YouTube channel is. Alex and Melinda is, I don't know what that says, if it says Our Space, or is it Our Space? Something Space and Melinda. anyway, that's very kind of you. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate you doing that and sending them to me. That's very lovely. Thank you. So we'll talk to you later, everybody. Thanks for